today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the 123 trend continuation pattern indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
All right, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the 123 trend continuation pattern indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 57 different strategies, with 14 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 768 indicators, with 309 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We have also retested in the advanced testing 16 of the winning indicators. 7 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we'll be looking at an advanced testing of the 123 trend continuation pattern indicator. So you can kind of see the trend continuation pattern indicator on screen, these little arrows right here. And so just like I did in the original video, I did go in and make a few modifications. So let me do this here. So you can see here like this. This is how the indicator typically looks. And so we have entry points, we have take profit points, stop loss. We have these little arrows also designating where there is an entry point. And those really are the main focus of what it is we are looking for. And so what I did was, again, just like I did in the original video, I turned off the labels and I turned off the lines, and it leaves me with the arrows like this. And so that way we can test this indicator and we can use our own take profit and stop setup according to how we have been testing the indicators. And so as you can obviously see, we have the green arrows here and the red arrows there. And so anytime we get a green arrow, that is a signal to go long. And so for example, right here is a green arrow or a long signal. And looks like this one would have gotten us to our take profit, went up 194 pips. And then on the reverse side, we have the red arrows like this here, and those are going to be our short signals. And as you can see, we got the signal there, and we had a really nice push to the downside, over 900 pips right there, and it looks like it's still kind of working its way down. And so these are examples of the signals. Now, of course, not all of them are going to work. And so, for example, here is a long signal, and you can see we get it right as we are starting to move our way down, and we get a push to the downside there. That one would have gotten us stopped out. And you can see that we pick up a short signal right here, basically right at the bottom of this move, and then immediately we start spiking back to the upside. That one there would have also gotten us stopped out. Now, the argument could be made that the name of the indicator is a trend continuation pattern. And so, as the name implies, seems like this indicator is best suited to identify where there is a trend continuation and not necessarily a trend reversal. And so, it is possible that using something else like a higher time frame or a super trend or higher time frame moving average or something along those lines, or a higher period moving average, that you could identify when a overall trend is kind of occurring, and then take the signals according to that trend instead of just taking every single pattern that it gives. But in the original video, we did test it strictly on just the signals. We didn't take anything else into account. And so, all right, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the 50 trade test, and we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve over the 50 trade advanced test. All right, before we take a look at what this was able to achieve in the advanced testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. It's free to join. Anyone can join and hang out and take advantage of the multiple channels that we have here for free. But we do have a Patreon only channel where the patrons can hang out and take advantage of some advanced information that we are putting up. And so, for example, our admin Jay really doing a great job of futures trading, and he is often putting up charts like this where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and a lot of the times where he's looking to take trades, as well as kind of what the reasoning and stuff was behind what it is that he's looking at and thinking about. You can see that we also post some information that we find useful. And so this is Sasquatch here. He's an amazing Forex prop trader. He is also posting regular charts like this where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and sometimes even where he's looking to take trades. And that includes the entry, the take profit, the stop, the whole deal. A lot of great information. But like I said, Sasquatch will also throw up stuff like this, or ask questions, or do a little test on different things to kind of see how different things kind of work in the market, how they interact with charts and so on. And so even if you may not be looking to take trades specifically on price action, support and resistance, and so on, understanding how price action, support and resistance, and areas of interest, channels, and so on, how they interact with whatever way you will be trading, can be extremely useful and valuable, and can help to kind of augment whatever system you are looking to trade. So there's a lot of great information in here. I highly recommend that you join us, hang out, and take advantage of the information and knowledge that's being posted. All right, so back to our indicator here. So over the 50 trades, let's see here, 50 trades, we were able to get 28 winners. And so that puts us at a 56% win rate. That's not going to quite meet that 60% criteria that we are looking for. Again, I wonder if we didn't identify or use something to identify an overall trend direction, a larger trend direction, if it wouldn't help this one out a little bit. I think there is some merit to this one. It does seem to kind of give out some reasonably decent signals, even though it kind of barely misses our 60% criteria. I think it is still a decent indicator and can be utilized. Maybe like I said, throwing on a couple other indicators with it and still being able to make it into a profitable trading system. So, but unfortunately, this one is going to have to go on the no list now, and we will move on to the next video from here.